Love it or hate it, AI is here to stay, especially in self-publishing. And those people who get in on it early, oh, those are the people who are winning. So let's dive into it. Here's how to self-publish a children's book with GenSpark.ai. Okay, beloveds, we're going to start by selecting GenSpark.ai. Click the plus sign, and you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this telescope deep research. Once here, you're going to input this prompt into the chat box. This prompt finds all of the hidden niches that could be hidden cash flow for your children's book. I'm going to go with the cultural celebration books. Back at the home page, you're going to drop the second prompt, and you're going to ask GenSpark to create a 28-page story outline for your book. Let's go to the next step. It's now time to produce the manuscript. Go ahead and use this prompt, and here we have it, folks. And the entire 28-page book has been written from page 1 to page 28. For example, page 1, Jamari packed his small tail backpack, looked back in the mirror. Tomorrow he will fly all the way to Amman, Jordan. Our next prompt is going to ask GenSpark to come up with 28 different image prompts that we can use with their AI image generator. Okay, but here's what's tea, honey, okay? Here's what's gonna save you so much time. The image prompts for every single page have been generated, and all you have to do is copy and paste these prompts. Inside of AI image, you can see that you can use Nano Banana or other image generation tools. Listen, all I did was copy and paste those prompts, and now my book is starting to come to life. However, the size is not going to fit into Amazon KDP, which is where I plan to publish my book. Inside AI slides, you're going to copy and paste this prompt. This prompt ensures that every single picture that was generated is regenerated in square format. Attach the photos using this plus sign. You can now see that my entire book has been regenerated in square format. And just look at the entire book, which has been formatted to fit Amazon KDP. Look at the image design and character consistency. This is 90 days of work completed in just a minute. I've set up my book in Amazon KDP, and now let's see a mock-up of it. You can see now that the entire book has been perfectly formatted where the text fits neatly on every single page. My characters are consistent, and I'm not getting any error codes. Y'all, I could literally publish this book tomorrow by pressing approve. Now, let's say that you want to sell on Amazon, but you also want to create your own storefront. Y'all, we're going to get back into GenSpark, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We're going to select code. It's going to ask us what we're building. We're going to say simple website. You want to use this prompt right here in order to create your website. And oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. This is my website from just one prompt. Check out this entire website. This was generated by one prompt, and this looks like the type of website that people would pay $5,000 in order to create. And literally, you can do that in GenSpark. I did the entire workflow in GenSpark. If you want to turn your ideas into real products and you're tired of using multiple AI tools just to achieve one objective, I want to challenge you to use the link below and get started with GenSpark. When you use my link, you get free credits. This is the way you side hustle in 2026.